Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check your balance on Cash App in real time. Whether you're making purchases, sending money, or just keeping track of your finances, knowing your balance is essential. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Cash App. Locate the Cash App icon on your smartphone and tap it to open the application. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the home screen. Once you're on the main interface of Cash App, look for the dollar amount displayed at the top of the screen. This number represents your current balance. Step 3. View your balance. To view your balance in detail, simply tap on the dollar amount. This action will take you to a more comprehensive overview of your account, where you can see your balance along with recent transactions. Step 4. Check for additional features. On this page, you may also have the option to deposit or withdraw funds. Explore these features if you need to manage your money further. Step 5. Refresh for real-time updates. If you want to ensure you're seeing the most current information, you can refresh the app. Simply swipe down on the screen to reload your balance and transactions. Step 6. Check notifications. If you've received any alerts or notifications regarding your account, check them to ensure your balance reflects all recent activity. That's it? Now you know how to check your balance on Cash App in real time. Remember, keeping an eye on your balance is a great way to manage your finances effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.